Hey guys, it's Scott. Hope you're having a great day, and thanks to everyone for visiting the channel. You may have noticed that a simple melody line played on the guitar can become unforgettable. I know I'm becoming more intrigued by how simplicity drives a lot of musical ideas, and I'm going to explore this over several videos. Here we take a look at Plush by the Stone Temple Pilots and its catchy melody that's played over the 3 thinnest strings. This introduction takes almost no time to learn and play effectively, and it really shows off the power of a simple melody line. Plush is a really great song, and while there are a few complicated parts, it's the memorable introduction that keeps it among my list of favorite songs. Hope you found this interesting. I'm Scott, and we'll see you next time.